Come test drive the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.